Today I'm working on installing these digital voltmeter battery terminals by Xscorpian. They were like 15 bucks a piece on eBay. So I'm using this as an application on my boat. I'm going to use these two deep cycle batteries here. So what I'm doing right now is just soldering together some leads, and then I'm going to try to figure out, because this actually has a remote you can turn on and off. I'm going to hope that I can wire up this switch to do that without cross feeding or back feeding it. In order for the voltmeter to work, you need to have negative and positive, and then the remote. So I'm finishing up my Xscorpian installation here for my marine batteries. So I end up a little different once I get it inside the boat, but my first thoughts were to wire these so that I could toggle between the batteries, and I don't need to see them both at the same time. I usually ride out on one battery and ride back on another battery. I'm sure there's several different configurations. They do not give you any wiring configurations here. They are solid brass. They feel pretty well made. On the bottom of these, though, I was a little concerned because, come on. The bottom of these, they are kind of open, where the wires are stuffed in for the voltmeter. I think I'm going to let them go for now, but it would have been nice if these were siliconed in there instead of just like a rubberized material. Obviously, you don't intend to have your batteries get wet, and they do have these nice little plastic covers that snap over the top. Batteries, the covers that snap over the top still allow you access to the terminal, so that's pretty cool. If I don't break these little plastic covers, they clip on the bottom. There's little tiny clips. I can see after a couple years of use on those, they'd break. Again, simply just wanted to have a way to monitor my, I disconnected the positive side on that. Monitor my battery output.